Imagine donning a cloak that renders you invisible, reminiscent of the magical world of Harry Potter. This once fantastical notion is inching closer to reality, thanks to groundbreaking research from scientists at the University of Electronic Science and Technology in China. Their innovative camouflage material utilizes advanced technology to blend seamlessly into its surroundings, showcasing a remarkable leap in the pursuit of invisibility.
Intelligence Studio. Do subscribe and like the video.
Taking inspiration from the magical world of J.K. Rowling, Chinese scientists have taken a significant leap towards making the cloak of invisibility a reality. Researchers at China's University of Electronic Science and Technology have devised an advanced camouflage material that adjusts its molecular composition to blend into the background, rendering the wearer imperceptible to the naked eye. Globally, the quest for invisibility has been pursued with varying degrees of success. Recent reports highlight China's development of an aero-amphibious invisibility cloak, which employs metamaterials to bend electromagnetic waves, rendering drones and aircraft nearly invisible across different environments such as air, water and land. This innovation signifies a major leap in military stealth capabilities, potentially altering the global balance of power by challenging traditional detection methods. The researchers employed a process known as self-adaptive photochromism, SAP, where molecules rearrange themselves when exposed to certain wavelengths of light. This molecular rearrangement causes the substance to change color and effectively become unseeable. In nature, both chameleons and octopuses rely on active camouflage to change their appearance by blending into the surroundings. This natural phenomenon has inspired scientists to replicate similar effects using artificial materials.
Applying this technology to clothing could make an individual effectively invisible. According to a researcher, Mr. Wang, SAP technology offers a simpler and more efficient way to achieve adaptive camouflage effects. Currently, most man-made systems achieve invisibility using complex electronic devices, resulting in high costs and limited success. This new material could revolutionize stealth technology by providing a cost-effective and efficient alternative.
According to the study, the SAP materials are in a primary black state under dark conditions. They spontaneously switch to another color after being triggered by transmitted and reflected light.
Researchers tested the material by placing a transparent container of SAP solution in colored acrylic boxes. In turn, the SAP solution changed color, matching the acrylic box.
Next, the scientists placed a SAP solution-filled container in environments with matching colors, and the solution adapted its color to blend seamlessly with the surroundings within 30 to 80 seconds.
A white light LED 10,000 lux was used as the light source for triggering photochromism and illumination.
Despite the advancements, scientists are yet to mimic the entire spectrum of color, with Mr. Wang hopeful of achieving the same in future work.
The scientists have not yet fully mimicked all colors within the visible light spectrum in this work, but that would be revealed in the future work of this project. By adding more photochromic molecules to the material or adjusting its composition, the scientists aim to achieve finer distinctions in color and faster changing speed.
The scientists added that SAP can also be used as a spray-on coating by adding polycaprolactone, a biodegradable polyester. The idea of invisibility has intrigued humans for centuries, often depicted in folklore and mythology. In the 20th century, the concept gained scientific interest, with various attempts to create cloaking devices. One of the most notable historical incidents was the Philadelphia experiment during World War II, where it was rumored that the US Navy attempted to render a ship invisible. Although largely considered a hoax, this story fueled public fascination with invisibility technology. The recent advancements in China can be compared to historical attempts at cloaking, highlighting the transition from speculative science to tangible innovation. The success of SAP technology demonstrates the potential for scientific breakthroughs to turn once fictional concepts into reality. Statistics indicate that the global market for stealth technology, including invisibility cloaks, is projected to grow significantly in the coming years. As nations invest in military and surveillance applications, the demand for advanced camouflage materials is expected to rise. The potential applications of invisibility technology extend beyond military use. In the medical field, for instance, it could lead to the development of transparent medical devices, improving diagnostics and treatment. In architecture, it could result in buildings that blend seamlessly into their surroundings, reducing visual pollution. In conclusion, the development of the invisibility cloak by Chinese scientists represents a remarkable achievement in the field of camouflage technology. By drawing from nature and utilizing innovative materials, researchers have taken a crucial step towards making invisibility a tangible reality. As further advancements are made, the implications for various industries and global dynamics are profound, marking an exciting era for scientific exploration and discovery.
And do subscribe to the channel.